To better protect yourself from ransomware, it helps to understand how these attacks typically begin, spread, and cause damage. Most people don't discover a ransomware attack until after their files have been locked and they get a ransom note. But here's the twist. That's usually the final stage of an attack, even though it's what brings it to light. Cybercriminals may have access to a system long before anyone knows they're there. They can be inside a system for days, weeks, or even months before making themselves known. And the longer attackers go undetected, the more opportunity they have to expand their access and cause more damage. Before the cybercriminals even attempt to access a system, they often identify potential targets. Since they're often after financial gain, they look for individuals or organizations that are more likely to pay. Then study those targets for potential weaknesses. Then they look for a way in. This could happen through a phishing email, a malicious attachment, stolen login credentials, or an attacker exploiting a software vulnerability. Once inside, the cybercriminals may move through the network, gaining additional privileges, identifying valuable data, stealing information, and disabling security defenses to maximize the damage of the attack. Finally, the attackers encrypt files and issue a ransom demand, bringing the attack into the open. But because ransomware attacks occur in stages, there are also stages where they can be detected, slowed, or stopped before a ransom note ever appears. Watch for subtle warning signs, such as unexpected login alerts, MFA prompts that you didn't request, unusual file behavior, or urgent emails pressuring you to click, download, or sign in. If you do notice anything strange, report it to your IT team. The sooner suspicious activity is identified and reported, the better chance there is of stopping the attack before it reaches the final stage. In the next lesson, we'll look at how to help prevent ransomware and limit the damage if an attack does occur.